Look at you all with your cars full of my stock. Anyway, I wish you all the best, and I hope to God this is the key to your first steps, guys. Thank you very much for coming. This is the Wednesday, and again, I've had to do this again because someone forgot to turn on the recording system. We are going to be giving away, this is my last ever day of trading on Big Al for this entire series, and I am donating everything we see, which now what I'm going to do is, Lexi, you go and take a run and take a video of all the stock that we're going to be donating to our 6 trainee marketeers who are going to develop their business and their world into a much more successful world with my help. So go and have a look. Sorry. So, they're opened. I think I'm going to go and stand by the mountain here. Come on over to the mountain here. Come on. You hate this, don't you? No. The mountain. Anyway, here we are. We're up. And it's the last day for me.
Last day for you, yeah. Sad.
It is a bit. It is, honestly, it is. It's not fun. I will miss it. I won't miss the tiredness. It was easiest. This is the easiest time I've ever unloaded this because I had the big fella helping. He was unloading all the crates for me, which is really cool.
How much for the golf balls?
Golf balls, the white ones are the tightest ones. They're club ones. They're limited edition. Some of them are pound. The yellow ones down below are a 50p. And if you buy 100, I'll do them for, well, there's not 100 there. But I'll give you a big discount, you need them. This is my last week trading, guys. So discounts galore. Anyway, where was I? But it's exciting now because it's like a birth. It's a birth of other people. That's what I like.
Yeah.
There's a, you know, what I've done, what I've created will give birth to 5, possibly 6 entrepreneurs. Maybe 3 of them won't survive. Maybe all of them won't survive, but at least I'm giving them an opportunity to try and improve their lives.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about. So, Lexi, how are you, darling? You good? Let me spray a bit of nice, gorgeous juice on. I smell gorgeous.
Is that beaches?
It's called Mine. It's like an Italian. It costs like 48 quid for 6 of these wee bottles. 48 quid, and it took like 6 weeks to come, and they're marvelous. I smell them brilliantly. Anyway. It's a nice smell, isn't it? Hello. Trying to. See the walk? Look, this is a walk of selling.
I don't know what kind of walk that is, mate. Much of the are the furries?
Furries or fairies?
Furries.
Are they furry or fairy?
Furries.
Right. I will do them for the whole set, £5. This is my last week.
What is it?
I am giving up my trade this week.
Right.
The YouTube video is over. My social experiment is done.
Right. Are you on YouTube?
I am a YouTuber.
Very good.
And I'm showing how to make money from nothing.
Fair play to you. Yes.
And I'm teaching everyone, and I've got 5 people who are taking this stock today, and they're going to start their market traders with my stock.
Well, fair play to you.
But I started this 12 weeks ago.
Right, only 12 weeks.
12 weeks, yep. I started off with a wee car boot, the little tiny table down the end, and I grew this to now 12 grand of stock, and I've made just over net profit. I've made about 5 grand, and it's all on YouTube. You can check it out. Big Al, my name is.
Big Al?
Big Al. Big Alan.
Well, I'll have to have a look for you.
Not big this way.
Right. Well,
Just remember, I'm quite. This height.
Is she videoing? I don't
She,
want to say it to you.
no, she's videoing.
Me on it.
No, you're not on it. It's directly on me.
So it's Big Al.
Big Al. You'll hear your if you're okay with that, I can wipe out your voice if that's okay.
Not a problem.
You're over your voice?
Aye, dead on.
But yeah, so this is, there you go, my love.
They're from a wee furry garden.
I
You haven't got a bag, no?
I do not have a bag.
I have a bag.
Look at you. We're now, our channel sitting at 10 million views and close to 40,000 subscribers.
Well, I think you've a new name. Darby, after Darby O'Gill.
Darby, yeah. That was a great film.
There's the film.
I didn't cut her down. No, I'm still here.
Yeah, and you're doing all right.
I think so. I think they rewarded me because I said,
Well,
I not cut you down. So, I'm good. So here we are, as I said, that was just me saying my bits. I'll play another video later on. There's going to be a couple of videos we're going to do. It's getting dark. Maybe it's not going to rain. Hope it won't rain on me today. And we got the bodyguard. Look at that. Doesn't he look mean? Just have a look at him. Doesn't he look like...
Put that out there.
There you go. Does he not look rough? Or not rough, tough? That tough there, look, tough. He's hard, isn't he? I'm Big Al. Guys, this is my son. This boy's going to one day be Big Cameron. He's got his own little YouTube channel. If you ever want to go see it, go to Big Cam 8, which is a bit silly.
Yeah.
But he could just call himself Big Cam. His name's Cameron. He's big. And he's going to get bigger, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
That's my boy. That's my boy. Right, we're going to go and see the other traders. You look after the stall, okay?
Yep.
Now remember, look after the customers. I want you to give them bargains. I want them to make sure they're getting lots of money off. All right, so look after them. Yeah, that's because you got them for what you got them for. You made a massive markup on it. Lots of people, are you getting sales?
Yeah.
Good sales today? Good.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
Have you got enough room in the back of that car to take stock from me? Yeah, well, you're going to have to take what you can.
Okay.
But so you know the plan. When you're packed up, drive your motor over and start wedging in or lifting aside. See you soon. Sherry can't do videos,
Right, okay.
so she can't be a part of the program because she doesn't do videos. I can't give her that stock and
I hear you.
have zero.
I hear you.
What's that?
I hear you. I understand. I
Yeah,
got
no, I get it.
Yeah, I get it. I get what you're hearing.
But I want to help her, and odds are it could blow back on me. How much you sell it for? How much? Oh, that's exactly right, Cameron. Well done, you. Little gem. Do the two for £2.25. How's that? One. Yo, look at the hero. There's big Jason coming. Come on! Come on! Yo! Ryan, here. Take them, Tech Nerd. That's all the wee charges and wee leads and everything like that. Come in handy for you. Take them as well. Go ahead. Here, take them cases too here. They're like iPod 9th generation cases.
Yeah.
Two of them. That's all your gear, isn't it? Yeah, that's all your gear. And you got all the shoes. This is yours too. These bags and everything. They're yours as well. Because I ain't leaving here with this stock. Yeah, sure, but we'll see what we've got left, because I want to make sure it's evenly distributed here for everybody. But I don't want to sort of have everyone competing with each other. What we got left? Let's have a look. Let's have a look what we got left. Oh, hello. Forgot about you. Okay, where are you, Ryan? You've got a big full. Michael has got to get a bit more, hasn't he? Because I see you're quite full, and you guys are massively filled. That's yours as well, Sue. So this gear with this little throw and all is yours? Right, okay. So, Ryan, take that, buddy. Ryan, take that as well, will you? That's you. I thought I was going to run out with giving you stuff, but there you go, you got more.
Buy it 50p off.
Dude, just grab them for yourself as well. Grab a load of them. I bought them for £1. Right, so we've got a bit more to give to Michael, because Michael's not here. That's cosmetics. Don't charge anything, and they're good sellers. Pound, but you get them for 10p each. We're getting there, we're near done. Okay, so we're doing quite well. We're down to our last, I think I've given, by the way guys, that's actually nearly close to 12 grand of stock. That's crazy. Anyway, you wouldn't see it. No, that's Michael's. Put that down, that's Michael's. Okay, who have we got left? What have you got left what do you got left in your space? Well, what do you got, Ryan? I'm sure we can push some more in. I think we're good here. We are good. Big fella, I'm not giving you any of this stuff.
No, I'm fine.
No, you're going to get intro stock tomorrow. I've got your intro stock to give you, because these guys got their intro stock. This is their top up to make them absolutely good at marketing. Oh, you can put your own stock if you want as well. Oh, absolutely. If you've got stock, sell it. No. The idea really is to give you that lift. And then you've got so much of a wide range that you come back with 100, 200, 300 pound sales each day. And if you get that and you build it up and you got £1,000, then you come back me with 1,000 and we knock you up to the next echelon. That's the plan. Phil, it ain't over yet, my love. That's it. I'm going to skin. Everything will work for Stevie. It's all taken from me. What? I know. Look at you, Adrian, you're a star. Do you want them? Was it? They're Phil and Sue's. They're overstock.
We going now with us.
What are you doing? I don't know look what he's doing. He's taking all the good stuff, but see, Ryan is a cheeky wee bugger. You're not using it. That's stock to sell to make profit to sell. That's exactly it, Ryan. Don't you be and you can give her a discount, but not £2. £1.50. So we got 4. So you're holding on to the dear life. So go ahead. You take that, Michael. Michael, thank you. So we got Michael. There's Michael. I'll give him the biggest one because he's not here to play. And then one left. There you go. It's all yours. There it is. Big Al is now bankrupt. I'm bankrupt. I am literally bankrupt. That was the biggest. I've got some grapefruit.
Bankrupt twice.
Look at you all with your cars full of my stock. Anyway, I wish you all the best, and I hope to God this is the key to your first steps, guys. And that's it. We're done. I'm done with you guys. Now it's up to you guys to make the money, not me. Can I ask for just a couple of minutes here? Yes. Ryan, sorry, buddy. So there is still, you got to do, as a part of this deal, I want you here for 4 weeks. You don't have to do Dundrum. That's not an option. That's not an option. Sunday's your day off if you want it. But all I'm saying is you have to sell here for 5 weeks. After that, if I'm hoping you all make $1,000 and then we can move you up to the next level. So we are on our way home out of Drumbo. Let's just say goodbye to Stevie. See you later, mate. Okay, that is it. That is me done. That is the end of my time doing marketing on YouTube. And I feel sad. I actually feel a bit sad by this, purely because it has been the most exhausting, exhilarating, tiresome, annoying, and actually quite profitable business. I would highly recommend anyone that wants to make a bit of money for themselves to get their ass down to Drumbo, get up early and work your money. But I'm done. As you can see, all my stock is donated. It's got dark. It's got really dark really quickly, hasn't it? Yeah. It's got dark really quickly. So it's coming to the end anyway of the season, the way I see it. And all I can say is thanks for watching this series, this 12-part series. And it's up to them to carry on the Big Al market trends. Let's get Drumbo famous and let's make people money, whoever goes to Drumbo. So all I can say is thanks for watching, and please remember to
Like, subscribe, comment and share.
There we go. Cheers, guys.